My name is Alex Lagrassa, and I will be presenting our work on actively learning model preconditions. While most deformable object models are not globally correct, they can still be valuable for planning if we can characterize the interactions for which they are accurate. One approach to plan with inaccurate models is to constrain planning to only use dynamics where a model is accurate. We can call this region of state action space a model precondition, and define it using a model-deviation estimator, or MDE, which predicts the deviation given a state action pair. MDEs can improve the reliability of plans, but require empirical data, which can be expensive and slow, especially when manipulating fluids. Thus, we want to collect data as efficiently as possible. Given a dynamics model trained on a simple environment with no plant, our goal is to efficiently collect a data set of transitions to learn a model precondition for that model in a test environment with a plant. At test time, the dataset defines an MDE and model precondition that the planner can use to ideally reliably find plans to the goal and execute those plans successfully. This is our framework for actively learning the model precondition. At each iteration, the agent selects a trajectory tau that minimizes an acquisition function, which it executes to add ground truth trajectories to the dataset for an MDE. Our experiments evaluate how active learning affects the types of trajectories chosen during training and test performance. We compare a method with different parameters to two baselines that do not select between trajectories using the MDE. Our main result shows that active learning methods achieve higher success rate with less data than the baselines. Thus, we have shown that MDEs can be used for data-efficient active learning of model preconditions. We are currently running the algorithm on a real-world setup and exploring the effect of different acquisition functions. This is an active research project, so please share any questions or thoughts you have at our poster or by email.